The credit score. Just a number, right? But it can decide a lot of things, like where you live, what car you drive, and how much interest you pay on loans. Today we're breaking down credit scores, what they are, why they matter, and how to boost yours. A credit score is a 3-digit number that shows a lender how likely you are to repay borrowed money. Think of it like a financial report card. Most scores range from 300 to 850. The higher the score, the better. It breaks down like this. 300 to 579 is considered poor. 580 to 669 is considered fair. 670 to 739 is considered good. 740 to 799 is considered very good. And 800 to 850 is considered excellent. Lenders, landlords, insurers, and sometimes even employers use it to decide whether to do business with you. So what decides your score? There are 5 components. There's your payment history. Do you pay your loans on time, even if it's just the minimum payment? There's your credit utilization. For any lines of credit you have, like a credit card, what percentage you're using of your available limit. There's the length of your credit history. The longer you've had credit or loan accounts, the higher your score. There's types of credits you used. Lenders like seeing a variety of different types of loans, like secured, unsecured, and lines of credit, to see how you use them. And finally, recent inquiries of credit. When a lender looks at your credit score and report, this affects your score. The more inquiries you've received in a short amount of time will lower your score. But what if you don't know what your score is? Checking it is easier than ever. Sites like Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, AnnualCreditReport.com, the major credit bureaus like Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, and even your bank or credit card company's mobile app can let you know what your score is. Don't have any credit yet? Here are some tips to help you get started. Apply for a secured credit card. It works just like a regular credit card, but requires a refundable deposit, usually equal to your credit limit. Become an authorized user on someone else's credit card. You don't even need to use the card. If the main account holder has good habits like paying on time or keeping the balance low, it can help boost your score. Try taking out a credit builder loan. You don't get the money up front. Instead, you make fixed monthly payments, and when the loan is paid off, the money is released to you. And all those on-time payments, they go right on your credit report. What's the best practice for boosting or keeping your credit score? Try these tips. Pay your loans on time every time. Keep your credit balances low. A good rule of thumb is to use less than 30% of your credit limit. Don't open too many accounts at once. Keep your oldest accounts open for as long as possible if you can. And check your credit reports regularly for any errors. Consistency is key. Small actions over time can lead to big improvements. Your credit score isn't a reflection of your worth. It's just a tool. And like any tool, you can learn how to use it. Keep it healthy, and in the future, you'll find it easier to rent an apartment, buy a car, or get the best interest rate on a loan. Thank you for joining us as we went over the basics of credit scores. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more financial literacy videos from Regional Federal Credit Union.